This is a huge testimony to the Oneida Air Systems Dust Deputy cyclonic filter. This thing is absolutely incredible. This is like moon dust right here. I mean, incredibly fine. And there's my shop vac. So there's a mixture of shavings like this in here, and these are clearly not from my radial arm saw. These are from my hand planer, and I just sucked up the floor. There's a bunch of gravel and stuff in here that was from a bathroom project where I replaced a toilet, so that doesn't even count. But this thing's been hooked up to my radial arm saw dust port. And there's the filter for my shop vac. It's perfectly fine. After all that sawdust, that thing would be absolutely caked, and this thing would not be sucking anything at all. Some might say it would even suck at sucking if I did not have this dust deputy. I would have to take that filter out, bang the dust out of it, out in my backyard. But I don't have to do that now. This thing's absolutely incredible. Now, being connected to the dust port on my radial arm saw, it doesn't capture everything. It just captures the super fine stuff that would go airborne. So sawdust, as you see there, that has enough inertia to escape the dust collection system on my radial arm saw. It's got nothing to do with Oneida. That's just the system on my radial arm saw. But yeah, looking at surfaces that I haven't cleaned in a while, like say this rail for the stairs, yeah, that is not covered in sawdust. There's regular dust on there, but that's definitely not sawdust. Or this table right here, again, that's regular dust, that's not sawdust. This thing saves the heck out of your lungs, I'll tell you that. So I plan on having stations set up in my shop. The cabinet I'm building is going to go here. There's going to be, tool storage, etc. And I plan on having it set up for a sanding station, a drilling station, like for the Craig pocket hole system here, dedicated station for that. A router table would be pretty good too. And I will have ductwork running along the ceiling with drops coming down for every tool station. And then there'll be blast gates on each one, so when I'm using a tool, I go ahead and open up that gate and shut the other gates, and go from there. The wood turning lathe, this guy is probably going to have to just be set up with a visqueen wall going around it to give me enough room to work. And then all the dust will just stay localized in that room, because a wood turning lathe, it's really hard to do effective dust collection on that, especially when it comes to sanding, unless you're just doing green wood turning, which I don't really do. Alright, that's it for now. Thanks for watching.